In exactly 1 week, July 14th, Huawei is coming back to the global market. Yes, guys, Huawei is launching its Pura 90 series globally. But there are two things most people don't know yet. It's launching under a different name, and it might be running Android 16. So let's break it all down. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Kid Android RH, your #1 English source for the everything Huawei. Two brand new articles dropped just hours ago, and together they paint a really interesting picture of what Huawei is about to do on the global stage. The Huawei Pura 90 global launch is in 1 week, and the details are getting very specific here, because this is the detail that's causing the most confusion right now. In China, the phone launched as the Huawei Pura 90. Simple enough. But for the global market, Weibo tipster Super Dimensional has confirmed that Huawei will launch it as the Huawei Pura 90S, not the Pura 90. Now, why does this matter? The S branding in smartphone typically signals one of the two things, either a slightly refreshed or enhanced version of the original, or a model specifically tailored for a different market. Think of how Apple used to do S upgrades. In this case, it appears Huawei is using the S tag to differentiate the international variant from the Chinese domestic variant. What does that mean in terms of the actual lineup? Details suggest Huawei will launch 3 Pura 90S models globally: the standard 90S, the 90S Pro, and the 90S Pro Max. All three are expected to look identical to their Chinese siblings, same gradient color design, same physical appearance. But whether the internal specs are identical, that's still unclear. Interestingly, some Weibo netizens initially suggested there would only be a Pro and the Pro Max, no standard model. That point of confusion will be cleared up at the official launch event on July 14th. One thing already confirmed, the Pura 90 Series S will feature a 20x steady photo zoom cameras, which Huawei has already been teasing officially. Now here's the second major story, and honestly, this one might be even bigger for the global Huawei users. The 90 Pura S is rumored to launch with EMUI 16 based on Android 16, and that's a significant moment if it's true. Let me quickly explain why. In China, Huawei runs HarmonyOS, their own independent operating system with no Android underneath it. But for international markets, Huawei uses EMUI, which is their custom skin built on top of Android. It's what Huawei global phone owners have always used in. EMUI 15 debuted back in 2024 with the Huawei Mate X6 foldable. Since then, nothing. Huawei effectively froze their global software upgrades. And then, the Huawei Mate X7 was expected to arrive with a new EMUI build globally, but it launched with the same software with only minor tweaks and improvements. Global Huawei users have essentially been waiting 2 years for a meaningful software update. Now, Weibo tipster Super Dimensional reports that the Huawei Pura 90 Global series will debut with EMUI 16. And crucially, this isn't just a rumor from a tipster alone. There's a Geekbench listing of the Pura 90S Pro Max that actually shows the device running Android 16 with a new Kirin 5G chip. That's real benchmark data backing up the rumor. So if EMUI 16 is confirmed, that's Huawei ending a 2-year software freeze for their global customers. That's a big deal, guys. So yeah, here's my honest take on it. The name change to the Pura 90S is smart marketing. It sets international expectations correctly. This is a version built for the global markets, not just for repackaged Chinese phones. That small S does a lot of communication work without Huawei needing to explain it in detail. And the EMUI 16 development thing I'm most excited about enough. 2 years of the global software silence from Huawei has frustrated a lot of international users, and if EMUI 16 finally arrives on July 14th, it sends a clear message. Huawei is serious about its global comeback, not just in the hardware, but in the software too. So, July 14th, 1 week away. I'll be covering the full launch live as it happens, so make sure to subscribe if you want to get full information regarding it.